Hi, my name's Stuart Hanson and I'm a family mediator at Direct Mediation Services, and in this short video I'm going to talk to you about the LGBT family, and that stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender. There are many other letters that follow on from this, but we're just going to keep it to the LGBT. We're not excluding anybody else. Everybody is welcome to mediation. It really is an inclusive process, and I would really recommend mediation to LGBT families, because it really is keeping you in control of what is happening in your family's life. And really, I think people have to ask the question whether going to court, the people in court actually have an understanding of what it is to be from the LGBT community. And I think in mediation, you can be assured, especially in our firm, that our mediators have a really good understanding of what it is to come from an LGBT family, because we have a very diverse kind of group of mediators, and we feel that we would try and pair you with a mediator that would, understand your family circumstances. It's about matching people, mediators, to families. It's not about just giving you somebody from our firm. So it's about creating a relationship that's strong and that you have confidence in. If you go to a court proceeding, you have none of that. You have no idea if the judge or the magistrate understands how the LGBT family works, or complex issues regarding parental responsibility. And within the mediation room, though, you can have that dialogue. You can ask the mediator to guide you as to where you can find information. Remember, we can't give advice, but we can certainly guide you to organisations that may be able to provide you with specialist advice on paternity and parental responsibility, and people who have experience in dealing with LGBT families. I hope that encourages you, if you're from the LGBT community, to come and talk to us about how we can help you and your family. Mediation is open to everyone, and we really do embrace diversity within Direct Mediation Services. So thank you.